Good morning, Sabir brother.
Good morning, sir. How are you, bro?
I'm great. And what about you?
I'm so
You are also
very
great.
well.
Okay. And where are you going, Sabir brother?
I'm going to Persona coaching.
You are going to Persona coaching. And
Yes,
how many days have you completed in Persona Institute?
I have been completed
Yes.
for 25 days.
Only 25 days. Yes, only 25 days.
I think
I think you are telling a lie. You know, you have completed 60 days.
60.
Yes, you are going to complete it. You are going to complete 60 days in Persona Institute.
No,
No, do you know 10 October you will complete 60 days in Persona Institute. Do you agree with me? When
yes,
when 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 did you come
yes,
here?
I agree with you.
When did you come here? Khandwa,
August.
August, 10th August, 9 August. You know? Yes. And I want to ask one question,
Yes,
which life is better for student, college life or school life?
school life.
School life, how?
Yes,
Do you have any point how school life is better for student?
yes. Because school life is better because uh, student school school student is uh, uh, was going to school and very it is very enjoy in school.
So if you go college, you can also enjoy there, and you can enjoy more
And
in college.
school life and
Yes.
very discipline.
Discipline.
Yes,
College life is not discipline.
no discipline.
How you can say, brother, college life is not discipline?
Uh,
College life is also college student also disciplined person, and some
no,
school student is not disciplined. And who, and do you know if you want to do something in your future, in if you want to do big something in your future, so you must go to you need to go college. If you have completed your school only, so what you will do only for base of school.
but you completed completed
Yeah,
school life. After that, you will become army,
only army,
police.
only police, army and police. And where will you go? And which person?
But every
Do you know?
person every person dream
Every person no dream.
to
I
become.
no. You can't say every person dream become army. I know I don't want to become army since beginning.
Because you are lazy person.
I'm lazy person.
Yes,
And did you want to become army? Did you want to become army?
yes.
Why didn't you become?
I wanted to become army since childhood.
Yeah. So why didn't you become? I think your age has passed, and you didn't become army. Why? You have also completed your school life, and you have also completed your college life. But then you didn't become. What is the reason?
Because my heart is
Your you you don't feel fulfill your height.
Yes, don't.
So you are only not alone. So many people don't fulfill their height. Do you know? So if their dream to become an army and they don't fulfill their height, so what they can do? Without height, you can't go. You can't become army.
So, second option is we become police
So why didn't you become police? Why didn't you become police?
because I don't like police.
You don't like police. You like
Yes.
police. If you like army, so you definitely like police.
I don't like police. I like to army.
Okay, you like to army,
Yes.
and you know, if you go to college become college teacher make you become responsible. You know, and the college teacher make you.
But school teacher is also make responsible.
What will no
Yes.
teacher school teacher only teach student not make student become responsible, not become student
But
hard
my school
worker.
teacher teach.
Your school teacher teach you become responsible.
Yes.
Are you responsible?
Yes.
How do you give me any example? Can you give me any example? You are responsible. When do you wake up? Do you know? You are responsible.
Yes. Wake up 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. You are telling a lie. I live with you. I know very well your nature. You are not responsible person, and you are telling a lie. I am responsible person, and my teacher teach me responsible. How to maintain response. It's not good.
It is
Who teach you? Who teach you make responsible? Your teacher. If your teacher would teach you make become responsible, so you definitely make responsible.
A school teacher is taught how to become other field, yeah, same field, yeah, other field, we learn.
We learn.
Yes. We learn because
Do you know? If you go to college, you need to read only a specific subject, only one subject. Do you know what is your subject? You need to study only that subject. And if you go to school, you need to read all subject. This is
school life में read all subject.
yes. It's
School
not
life,
good for
yeah,
student.
in school life and read all subject, and college life also read all subject.
No.
Yes.
No. Do you know if you go to college and you take any one subject, if you want to become anything that subject, you need only read that subject.
You look at me. First, in college life, 6 subject.
6 subject. Yes.
Yes, and college life also 6 subject.
In school, you need to you need to pass all subject, and you need to focus on all subject equal. But if you go college, if you need only focus on one subject. If you which subject you want to success, and which subject you want to achieve something. And I think you are also from commerce background, and your honor that time. What your honor?
Honors account.
Yes, account only, not Hindi, English, Urdu, Nagpuri, Sanskrit, not your subject.
But
Right
I
time.
am read I'm read account,
Yes.
math, business study, Hindi, English, all subject I read.
But this subject not that subject is not valuable subject. And you go school, that time you need to study all 6 subject, and you must need to pass all subject in all subject. You know.
But
And what about you? And do you know only the school teacher teach only one subject. And in school, college also, what I want to say, I forgot. I
but
forgot.
college teacher also all subject teach.
No, only
Yes.
one subject.
No, I will. I used to go to college.
Yes.
That time, college teacher also teach all subject.
In your college, because that time you
No.
in your college had not
No.
a teacher available. That's why your teacher your teacher was teaching you all subject. You know.
One teacher not teach, but every subject अलग अलग teach.
अलग teach.
Yes.
Oh my God.
अलग subject teach.
Okay. It's and I want to say, if you want to crack UPSC exam
Yes.
and you have only completed your school life, how you can crack? Tell me first. If you not go coaching, if you not go college and you don't have degree, how you can crack this exam? How you can crack this exam? Can you crack this exam? Yes or no?
No. Because
What benefit? What is benefit school life? School student.
if you become UPSC,
If you want to crack UPSC exam.
yes.
Yeah.
That time we study.
Yes.
We study like sixth class.
6th class.
Since sixth class
Yes.
to 10th class. Only for
I know question will come on that portion only 6 to 10 class. But if you don't have degree, how you can fill form? You are not eligible.
Yes, but
You know.
I agree with you this point.
Yes.
But
What? But you will not fill the form. So how you can give exam? This is the main problem. You know.
I